Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PlayStation 5 latency. First, always confirm your PlayStation 5 is connected securely to your internet, ideally with an Ethernet cable for greater stability. Double-check your internet service provider's actual speeds using an online test, ensuring they align with your plan, perhaps over 100 megabits per second. Also, make sure no large downloads or uploads are running in the background, as these consume significant bandwidth. A simple restart of your console and router often resolves many temporary network glitches, providing a fresh start for your connection. Prioritizing a wired Ethernet connection delivers far greater stability and speed than Wi-Fi, significantly reducing latency spikes. If Wi-Fi is necessary, place your router centrally and high, away from walls or other interfering electronics. Keep it less than 20 feet from your console for optimal signal strength. Limiting other active devices on your network during gameplay frees up valuable bandwidth. Upgrading to a modern Wi-Fi 6 router can also provide improved performance and less interference in busy wireless environments. Access your router's settings, typically via a web browser, and enable quality of service, or QoS. This feature prioritizes your PlayStation 5's gaming traffic over other network data, securing the bandwidth it needs for smooth play. Always ensure your router's firmware is updated to its latest version. Updates frequently include performance improvements and vital bug fixes. Advanced users might try port forwarding specific PlayStation 5 ports for better connection stability. However, consider disabling UPnP if it causes network conflicts. Within your PlayStation 5 system settings, navigate to Screen and Video, then adjust display options to reduce input lag. Ensure your television is in game mode, if available, and disable all unnecessary video enhancements. Utilize Game Presets under Saved Data and Game/App settings to prioritize Performance mode for online games, favoring frame rate over graphical fidelity. Disabling unused features like HDMI device link or voice commands can free up system resources. Periodically clearing your console's system cache also contributes to smoother operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.